Did you know AI can be an ingredient in a tasty planet-saving sandwich? Meet Judith, Christophe, and Pascal. Pascal first tried meat substitutes while working in the US in 2017, but was put off by all the additives. He partnered with his cousin Lucas, who at the time was completing his doctorate in food process engineering. They thought they could make something better. Better for our planet, but also better for our health. Fast forward to today. Planted is Europe's fastest growing food tech startup in the alternative protein field. From just 4 founders to more than 200 employees in 5 years, the company is on a mission to change the way we eat protein. Planted is partnering with Microsoft to supercharge its growth. With the help of Microsoft Azure and Azure OpenAI, Planted is making its manufacturing smarter and more efficient. Planted's brand and marketing team used Microsoft Copilot to help boost productivity. Now, the company is leveraging Copilot to help with product development, assisting with everything from explaining its proprietary fermentation technology to inspiring new product ideas. The data team is even using Copilot as an assistant in coding, making the process cleaner and more efficient. With a sprinkle of tech, a dash of AI, and a whole lot of natural ingredients and creativity, Planted is cooking up a greener future.